In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into Canvas on any device in an internet browser. So this doesn't mean you have to use Google Chrome. You can use any internet browser that you wish. So you could use Apple Safari, Firefox, Microsoft Edge. It doesn't matter. Any type of internet browser, this will work. So the first way to do this is to go directly to the link for Banks Canvas. So all you have to do is you have to type in banks.instructure.com. And you hit enter, and that's going to bring you to a Google sign-in, which is exactly what you want. So all you have to do here is type in your full school Gmail account address. So that includes the @banks.k12.or.us. So for me, I'm using a test student account, and I'm going to put in the entire email address. I hit enter, and then you're going to use your same login information to get into Google and to get into your Gmail. It's the exact same password to use for this. So log in with my password. And boom, I'm in. So it's going to bring me up my dashboard, and assuming you've got some classes that are published, they're going to populate right here. So for most of you, that's going to be between 3 and 4 classes. You'll see three or four different boxes that are right here. Since this is a test account, I'm just going to see one. So I'm going to log out here. And I'm going to show you another way to do this as well. So let's just say I just go straight to my Gmail. I can't remember the link. So I'm going to go to Gmail. And this remembers my email address from before, but again, I'm going to type in my password. And this is going to bring up Gmail. So as Gmail loads, I see my school email box. And this is a good reminder. Make sure that you're checking this at least once a day, preferably once in the morning, right before your classes start, and once more towards the end of the day. That's going to be a good habit to get into. And then probably, again, I would check probably at some point Sunday night, Sunday evening-ish is going to be a good tip. So once I'm into my Gmail, I'm going to look to the top right-hand corner, and I'm going to see these 3 dots. They're going to be right next to my account name, right next to the gear to get into settings. And this is the Google Apps. So I click on this, and you're going to see Google Docs and some of the other Google Apps. And you're going to scroll down. And when you scroll down, you're going to see one that says Canvas. So it doesn't have the official Canvas logo, but this is the link directly to the Banks Canvas page. So when I click it, it's going to open a new tab, and I'm in. And notice I didn't have to sign in again. And that's because it's already linked to my account for Gmail. So if I'm in a browser and I've already logged into my school Gmail account and I haven't logged into another Google account, this will automatically, when I hit that button, it'll automatically open Canvas, and I'm already logged in. So that's pretty convenient. The third way that you can do it is specifically for Google Chrome. So I'm going to log out of here again. And most of you are aware that you can sign directly into Google Chrome. So you're not signing directly into Gmail, you're literally signing into Chrome. So it saves your history, it can save passwords, it can save tabs if you've pinned them to the browser, that sort of thing. So up here, you're going to see it. It's in the upper right-hand corner again in the actual browser right next to the URL. I'm under a guest account right now, but I want to open test. When I open test, now notice on mine it's opening quite a few different tabs. I'm going to exit out of a couple of these. But one of them that's going to open is it's going to open the Canvas one. So I'm already signed in. So if you're actually logged directly into Google Chrome with your school Gmail account, Canvas, if you type in banks.instructure.com, it's going to open immediately and you don't have to do any other logins. So if you stay signed into a browser, this is an excellent way to do it. It'll bypass any other step of logging in that you need to do.